Hi everyone. I have this golden pothos for past 8 years, growing in this small terracotta container, and I have not changed the soil even once. It just sits on top of my kitchen cabinets, growing lush and spreads about 10 feet in both directions. But it wasn't like this 2 years ago. In fact, it had stunted growth and would hardly grow 2 to 3 inches in a year. So today, I'm going to share a very simple, natural ingredient that helped this plant and my other indoor plants to thrive. While this video is dedicated to indoor plants and not to my edible garden, the simple ingredient can very well be used for edible plants as well. In fact, I do use it for other edible plants in my own container garden. The secret ingredient is very simple. Every time we cook rice or soak dry beans to make chili, we first wash it. I used to throw away this water after washing these grains. But you notice that, especially for rice, when you wash it, the water turns white and milky. This is because of starch. So instead of throwing away this water, I started watering my golden pothos with it. And soon enough, this plant started sending out new vines in all directions. Even the water in which we would soak the beans, we use it to water this plant. So, how does this water help? Like I mentioned, this water has starch, which is a form of carbohydrates. The microorganisms in the potting mix love carbs, and this starch helps them grow. In return, these microorganisms break down this starch in more simpler forms, which is easy for the plant to absorb through its roots. If you are a beginner gardener interested in growing vegetables, I have a complete playlist dedicated to you, with step-by-step videos about how to start your own garden. It is linked here. Check it out next.